How to integrate HubSpot with Slack. In today's video, we're going to explore how to seamlessly connect HubSpot with Slack to enhance your team's communication and productivity. By combining the power of HubSpot's customer relationship management with Slack's real-time messaging platform, you can streamline workflows and improve collaboration. First, let's discuss the benefits of this integration. When you integrate HubSpot with Slack, you can automatically receive notifications from HubSpot right within your Slack channels. This means your team won't miss important updates, whether it's a new lead, a customer inquiry, or important changes in your deals. Now, let's jump into the steps for integrating HubSpot with Slack. Start by logging into your HubSpot account and navigate to your account settings. From there, look for the Integrations section. Click on Slack and select the option to connect your Slack workspace. You'll be prompted to authorize HubSpot to access your Slack account. Make sure to review the permissions and click Allow to proceed. Once authorized, you can customize your notification preferences. Choose which types of notifications you want to receive in Slack, such as new contacts, deal updates, or customer service requests. Next, set up specific channels in Slack where you'd like these notifications to be sent. This could be a general channel for all updates or dedicated channels for different teams to keep communication organized. Once everything is set up, it's time to test the integration. Create a test contact or update a deal in HubSpot and watch for the notification in Slack. This will ensure that everything is working smoothly and your team can start receiving vital information in real time. By integrating HubSpot with Slack, you're not only keeping your team informed, but also improving the response time to potential clients. This means better service and ultimately, more success for your business.